I couldn't be more excited about this new collaboration between Figma and monday.com. It's now officially available as a connector on Figma Make. Let me show you exactly what that means and how easy it is to set up. Here's a pretty standard marketing board in monday.com. We've got a few design briefs on it. This one has the status. Let's start. It has no owner and no comments yet. Let's copy the item link and drop it into Figma Make. With a new MCP integration, Figma Make can now talk directly to monday.com. It retrieves the item details and understands the brief from the data inside Monday. Now Figma Make does its magic and generates a design automatically based on that brief. Pretty cool, right? But that's just the start. I like this design, but I've got a few questions for my teammate, Ben. Instead of switching back to Monday, I can ask Feed Agent to notify Ben directly. I can also ask it to update the status to working on it and to assign the task, all from right here inside Figma. The agent thinks through the request, understands the board structure, finds Ben, creates the update, and updates the item's values automatically. Let's switch back to monday.com. And there it is. The item's been updated. Status changed. Owner assigned. And there's even a detailed update for Ben. Seamless collaboration from design to execution. Want to try it yourself? Just click Add Connector in Figma Make. Select the monday.com connector. Authorize it. And you're ready to go. If you give it right access, it can also create and update items for you, making Monday and Figma work together effortlessly. I'm genuinely thrilled about what this means for creative and product teams. Design, collaborate, and execute all in one flow.